do you mean by queue?
A simple queue is a
Yes,
linear
ma'am.
data type
Hello.
which has two ends, one front and one rear.
Wait, sir. Once someone is saying something, at least listen to him first carefully. Okay, FIFO. How many pointers do you need in a simple queue? How many pointers you people okay, front, rear, very good. What is front pointer? What is the main purpose of front pointer?
For the deletion of the element,
Very good. What is the purpose of rear pointer?
for the insertion of elements.
Very good. Now simply tell me how you people can insert anything in a simple queue.
Now first we
Which
will check
conditions
if
we
the
need to check?
now first we will check the if it is set to max minus one, then the, that
Okay, what is
stands
max
as
here?
a overflow. The maximum
What is
size
max here?
the maximum size allotted to the queue, the array.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else?
And second condition we
What
can check
other
if the
conditions?
front and rear end, ma'am. If it is set to minus
Oh,
one, that means the queue is empty,
okay.
and we can set it to zero.
Okay. Any another student who knows how you can insert any element in a linked list? Yes, guys. Any another student who knows how we can insert the elements? So, guys, simply to insert any element into the queue, we are going to check three conditions. In the very first condition, we are going to check what is the value of rear. If it is if the rear equals to maximum minus 1, this is the case in which we are going to consider if for the empty queue your rear equals to minus 1. So whenever rear equals to minus 1, we are simply going to write overflow. Otherwise, if your front and rear both equals to minus 1, that means your queue is empty. Simply we are going to set front and rear equals to 0. Otherwise, rear equals to rear plus 1. And whatever the number you want to insert, simply we are going to set that number equals to index of rear. So now the second one is a deletion. So guys, how you can delete any element from the simple queue? Anyone who knows?
On same conditions, we also have three conditions here. First one is we
Okay,
will check if the front is equal to minus one. That means the queue is empty. Second, we will check if
okay,
front is equal to rear. At that condition, we can set rear and front both to minus one. And the last condition, we will check if front is not equal to rear. In that case, we can delete one element and increase the front by one.
okay. Anyone else? Okay guys, so for the deletion, first we need to check here only what is the value of your front, because front is going to delete an element from your queue. So simply if your front equals to minus 1, that means your queue is empty. So simple we are going to write down underflow. Otherwise if your front equals to real, that means only one single element. So we are going to set both your front and rear equals to minus 1. Otherwise, simply we are going to set front equals to front plus 1. And if you want to display the value, simply you can set that, write that front q, what is the element in the q index front. So simply we are going to assign that particular value to some variable and then you can display. Now with this, the third algorithm is if you want to display the elements. Yes guys, अगर हमें elements को display कराना हो तो what we will do? If you want to display the elements, what you do?
And we use for loop and initialize the loop from front is equal to minus 1.
Okay. So simple है guys. If we want to display the queue, so as this is the FIFO, so we are going to display from front to rear. So simply first we are going to check if your front equals to minus 1, that means your queue is empty. So simply we are going to write down underflow. Otherwise, we will use some variable, let's suppose I, and then assign that variable I equals to front. And we are going to repeat these steps until our I is less than or it is equals to rear. Simply we are going to print qi, and every time we are going to increment the I by 1. Why we use I? Because every time if we increment the front by 1, so it will remove your elements. This is the whole process. Now we need to implement the program for this thing. So to implement the program, now you people need to write down the code. So yes guys, first what we need to
A
design
macro.
any program, first thing we need,
हेडर फाइल में
very good. सबसे पहले
हेडर
going to include your header file. And here globally I am defining the size of max. Hash define max file. And then when your queue is empty, what is the value of your front and rear?
Minus 1.
फ्रंट इक्वल टू -1
So globally I'm declaring here int front equals to -1 and
मैं
rear
स्क्रीन थोड़ा
equals,
ब्लर हो रहा
sorry,
है स्क्रीन थोड़ा आपका ब्लर आ रहा है
1 second, 1. Now is this clear?
ओके ओके मम यस मम यस मम
So simply rear equals to also -1. Now with this here globally I am declaring my queue. So int queue size of max. तो इसके बाद हम लोग क्या बनाएंगे? Your main section. int main. Main में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? As we already declared our Q array. So what we will do, from the main we are going to call the functions. So guys, please write down the code. In the switch cases, case 1 to call insertion function, case 2 to call delete function, case 3 to call display function, case 4 for exit, and case 5 default case. Yes guys, hurry up. Yes guys, done. Use switch cases and your while one. And in these switch cases, please call your functions. Yes, guys, done. Please say yes or no. Yes, Abhishek, please share your screen. Yes, Abhishek Tiwari, please share your screen. Rest of the batch, please hurry up, guys. Rest of the batch, please hurry up. Yes, rest of the batch. Done. Yes, class. Done. Hurry up, guys. Done, guys. Yes, guys, done. Now the next one is the function for the insertion. So simply now with the return type, then your function name. Those who are done, I request you to create the function for insertion. Here is the algorithm for your reference. Yes, guys, now please implement this function. No, Abhishek Tiwari, how we can use push? Push is used in the stack. Here you can give the name enqueue. Can give the name enqueue rather than push. No, Abhishek Tiwari, you can't use push. Abhishek, you can give the name DQ or simply delete for the deletion. Hurry up, guys. Done, guys. Very good, Abhishek. Rest of the batch, please hurry up. Yes, Udit, please share your screen. Wait. Go to your top. Yes, Udit, please share your screen. Go to your line number one. Udit, wait. Okay, scroll down. Wait. Scroll down. Okay, Udit. So, guys, now the next one is the for the deletion. So, please implement the function for the deletion. Here, return type, then your function name. Here is the algorithm for your reference. Please implement this.
मैम
Yes.
मैम यहाँ पे रिटर्न टाइप फंक्शन क्यों ले रहे हैं?
अरे जस्ट रिटर्न टाइप मतलब आप कुछ भी रिटर्न टाइप कर सकते हो. इट कैन बी void, इट कैन बी end, इट कैन बी can anything.
मैम हम सेट को प्रोग्राम में क्या लिखेंगे? हेलो।
Arman, here set means we're assigning so equals to -1, and here also equals to -1. This is the meaning of set assignment. Hurry up, guys. Okay. What about rest of the three? Gaurav, Saurabh, Sumant? Hurry up, Saurabh Tripathi. Gaurav and Sumant. Gaurav. Name. Argument lists. And here is the algorithm for display. Yes, Gaurav, hurry up. So guys, hurry up, please implement this code. Hurry up, class. This function is very easy. Very good, Udit.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम नहीं अभिषेक।
Guys, no personal discussion. Done, guys, with the display. Hurry up, class. Abhishek Tiwari, please program. Abhishek Tiwari, as today you can't present your laptop screen, please execute your program once. Udit, you also please execute your program once.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, Udit, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Udit, why you use label 1? You use your label
What,
in
ma'am?
line number 24. You used label in your line 24. What is the meaning of
Yes, ma'am.
label?
Ma'am, we are using the label to use the goto function so that if I insert one data, then I
What
don't need
is
to stop the program.
okay?
I will be able to insert data again and again.
Okay, simply scroll down, delete, exit, display. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Wait. Okay, scroll down. Just execute your program once.
There's the error, ma'am.
Okay, what
Deletion
error?
function didn't work. And deletion function didn't work. If I input the values
Okay,
45
wait,
and
wait,
34,
wait.
now I try to
Okay,
delete it.
two. Okay, now go to press 3, 30, 45, 34. Again, press 2. Okay, 3.
Yes, ma'am, it worked. Is empty data
It
not required.
works, but it doesn't display. Now go to your program. Okay, here what you can do. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here what you can do. Simply you can with this print
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, you are not audible. You are not audible, ma'am.
variable, and then you hello. Yes, what you can do here. Whatever is the value. Hello. Yes, Sudit. Now I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What you can do, whatever is the value of the front, simply you can assign that value to some variable. For example, a equals to q front, and then simply you can print that a
Ma'am, in which function?
in the delete function.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Rest of the batch. Yes, Abhishek Tiwari. Is there any error in your program? Yes, Abhishek Tiwari.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
Saurav.
मैम बहुत पीछे चल रहा है मैम, बार बार मेरा रुक जा रहा है मैम, हैंग कर रहा है 2-2 मिनट के लिए मैम। टाइप कर रहा है तो बहुत पीछे चल रहा है मैम, कर रहे हैं मैम।
Oh, it's okay. Take your time.
यस
My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible. Scroll down. Okay, wait. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, now try to execute your program. Yes, Abhishek Tiwari, please execute your program. Back to your program. Now जाओ program में. Just close this window. Scroll up. Just a second. There is no need for do while. Simply use the while one. Simply
But
use your
both are
while one.
same. But both are same.
I know that both are same. I know that both are same. Now just scroll up. Scroll up. I know both are same, but there is a little bit difference because this do while is the exit control loop. It is not the entry control loop. So simply
मैम
use
दो
your
वाइल
while
लूप
one.
होता है उसके लिए कि मैम एक बार उसको प्रिंट जरूर कराएगा, एग्जीक्यूट जरूर कराएगा, उसके बाद लूप में
हाँ
आएगा,
बट
और वाइल लूप में डायरेक्ट लूप में आ जाता है।
हाँ अभी पहले सुन तो लो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। हमने ऑलरेडी उसको ट्रू दिया हुआ है। हमने उसको ऑलरेडी ट्रू दिया हुआ है। while वन का मतलब ही होता है ऑलवेज ट्रू। फर्स्ट while वन रिमूव कर दो यहाँ से। while वन भी रिमूव कर दो एक बार। रिमूव योर while वन ऑल्सो। रिमूव दिस ऑल्सो। नाउ ट्राई टू एग्जीक्यूट। वन एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट।
इंटीजर काम ही नहीं कर रहा है।
why
कैरेक्टर दे रहा है तब
give this any no give this any integer value।
नहीं हो रहा है। एक मिनट एक मिनट।
your num lock may be locked।
यस मैम यस।
so now use while one। after intent yes here while one। अरे एक ब्रैकेट ऊपर से रिमूव करके नीचे डाल देते। press 2 wait execute your code। press 1 enter any input। press 3 enter। press 3 3 not 2 3 now press 1 enter 1 give any input any number। Abhishek give any number enter 3 little bit mistake rest of your program is correct now go to your program। after case 3 there should be
ब्रेक
break।
ब्रेक है सर ब्रेक।
case 3 हाँ तो उतना बेसिक मिस्टेक्स मत करो अदरवाइज एग्जाम में पूरा प्रोग्राम करेक्ट करके भी 0 मार्क लाओगे। नाउ स्क्रॉल डाउन in your delete function go to your delete function close this window go to your delete functions see here delete for the delete Why you ask the user to delete any element? Remove line 56 and 57. Remove these lines because will not give any input here. Whatever the value of the front, that should be deleted. And now do one thing in your line number 63. Whatever is the value of the Q front, that we are going to assign in the value. Here your val equals to Q front. Yes, Udit, you need to perform these two lines, 63 and 64. And now in the printf, write down here val. And now put these two lines at the first. Wait, Abhishek. Go to a line. Abhishek, wait. Wait. Little bit scroll up. Yes, Abhishek Tiwari, please scroll up. Now pay attention here. Pay attention on this function. यहाँ पे देखो आप क्या कर रहे हो, पहले आप फ्रंट को प्लस प्लस कर रहे हो, बाद में डिस्प्ले करा रहे हो, तो हमेशा क्या कराएगा, आपका एक एलिमेंट एक्स्ट्रा वाला एक नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट प्रिंट कराएगा वो. अभिषेक वेट. तो एनीवन एल्स जिसका प्रोग्राम हुआ हो, अदरवाइज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन.
अब सही नहीं है.
तुम सुन ही नहीं रहे हो.
ठीक है मैम, बोलिए.
देखो इसमें आप क्या कर रहे हो, पहले आप तीनों कंडीशंस है, इफ इट्स ओके इन योर एल्स इफ एंड एल्स पार्ट में पहले आप क्या कर रहे हो, पहले आप प्लस प्लस कर रहे हो, जो भी था पहले आप फ्रंट की वैल्यू चेंज कर रहे हो, उसके बाद आप उसको डिस्प्ले करा रहे हो. पहले डिस्प्ले कराना है, बाद में फ्रंट की वैल्यूज को चेंज करना है. तो जो आपकी ये वाली लाइन है, वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू फ्रंट क्यू, दैट शुड बी आफ्टर लाइन नंबर 55. After your if part, after your if part, वहां पे आप असाइन करोगे ना, वॉट एवर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्रंट, दैट शुड बी इन द वैल्यू. रिपोर्ट दिस इफ एल्स कंडीशंस, हम वहां पे उसको असाइन करेंगे.
अब सही है मैम.
मैं क्या बोलूं, तुम सुन ही नहीं रहे हो. वेट. अभिषेक, जो आप यहाँ पे ये दे रहे हो, लेट्स सपोज योर एल्स इफ पार्ट इज करेक्ट. अगर आपकी सेकंड कंडीशन है एल्स इफ, अगर वो करेक्ट हो रही है, तो आपने पहले फ्रंट को क्या कर दिया, -1. उसके बाद आपने उस एल्स में जाके उसको कर रहे हो. नो, अगर एक सिंगल एलिमेंट भी है, हमें उस एलिमेंट को भी तो बताना होगा ना. ये एल्स पार्ट में तो जाएगा ही नहीं, ये तुम्हारी एल्स इफ ये प्रिंट वाली दोनों लाइंस.
तो इनवैलिड बता देंगे मैम.
मेरी बात तो इनवैलिड कैसे हो जाएगा, अगर एक सिंगल एलिमेंट है, एक सिंगल एलिमेंट को रिमूव करके तुम -1 कर रहे हो, तो वो इनवैलिड कैसे हुआ.
तो फिर मैम क्या करेंगे.
अब आप देखो उस लाइंस को ये कहाँ लगाओगे कि जो हमारे पास करंट वैल्यू है, पहले वो वैल्यू वेरिएबल में जाए, उसके बाद हम फ्रंट की वैल्यूज को चेंज करें. जैसे आप यहाँ पे दोनों एल्स वाले पार्ट में आप फ्रंट की वैल्यूज चेंज कर रहे हो. You need to think on this part that first you need to assign that front's value to some particular variable. After that you can either +1 or -1 to your front. First you need to assign the value of the front to some particular variable. After that only you can increment or decrement your front pointer. Yes, guys, anyone else who is done with the program or who is having any kind of error? Yes, guys, anyone else?
यस मैम।
तो फिर मैम
Yes,
क्या
सलमान।
करेंगे, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
अब आप
पूरा
देखिए
मतलब
उसको, अब देखिए इसको, वरना तो हम बता ही देंगे। थोड़ा सोचिए।
सोचते हैं।
ये दोनों एल सिफ और एल्स वाले पार्ट से पहले होना चाहिए ये सब कुछ। नहीं, यहाँ पे अब समझ दो ना, वो हमेशा एक नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट प्रिंट कराएगा। Yes, Salman. Done with your program? Yes, guys. Done with the program? So here I am giving you the solution for this program. Very good, Udit. So yes, guys, is my screen visible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, from the main function onwards, I am giving you the solution. So please type the code side by side. So now in the main function, we are going to use our switch cases and the while one loop. So main function में int, let's suppose I'm using a variable choice. Now in the while one, first I'm going to ask the user enter the number. Printf, let's suppose enter 1 for insert, 2 for delete, 3 for display, 4 for exit. Now scanf, as this is the int, so here I'm giving percentage %d, comma, and operator choice. After this, I'm using here switch case, switch, choice. Now the case 1 is for the insertion, case 1. So here in the case 1, here I'm checking the condition for the overflow in case itself. So simply if here equals to max minus 1, then simply here I'm going to printf printf overflow, and if this is wrong, in the else part I'm going to call the function else. I'm going to call the insert function, and now break. So anyone is having any doubts till now? So with this, the second case 2 for the deletion, and here in the case itself I'm checking the condition for the underflow. If your front equals to -1 and your rear also equals to -1, then simply printf not the and, I'm going to print here underflow. Here for the deletion you can write down one single statement also. Okay. It will also going to work perfectly with this. If your front equals to -1, you can either write down front equals to -1, or you can also write down front equals to -1 and rear also equals to -1. So underflow, and if this condition is false in the else part, I'm going to call this function delete. Now within the case 3, again in the case 3, and with delete here also break after this else part. In the case 3 again I'm checking here the condition for the underflow. So simply if your front equals to -1, then I'm going to write down printf underflow else. I'm going to call the function display and then break. Same way case 4, for exit. And now the next one is the default case. The default case simply I'm printing printf invalid twice. So yes guys, done with this part.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone जिसका यहाँ तक नहीं complete हुआ हो अभी? So with this, the next one is the function for the insertion. So simply your return type and your function name, void insert. So now here I'm using one variable num, and now printf enter data. So that's scanf percentage d and operator num. And now here I have to check first thing if my front and rear both equals to -1. So simply if your front and rear both equals to -1, then if your front equals to -1 and your rear also equals to -1. So in this case we need to set your front and rear equals to 0. Set front equals to 0 and rear also equals to 0. And whatever is the value of this num, we are going to assign that value at the q index rear. Simply your q rear equals to num. In your else part, simply we are going to set rear plus plus, and then whatever is the value, q rear equals to num. Yes guys, clear with this function? Yes class, clear with this? Please say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next one is for the delete. So simply your void delete. And now in the delete part अब हमें क्या करना है? First thing, as हमने under flow की condition check कर दी है, and now whatever is the value of the front, we're going to assign that value to some particular variable. Let's suppose I'm using here value. And now whatever is the value of q front, अब इस q front की वैल्यू को हमें किसमें असाइन करना है? टू दिस वैल्यू. एंड ये करने के बाद हम लोग क्या कर देंगे? सिंपली वी आर गोइंग टू डू फ्रंट प्लस प्लस. एंड इफ your front equals to rear, if your front equals to rear, simply here we are going to set your front and rear both equals to -1. Front equals to -1, your rear also equals to -1. And with this we are going to print this value. Printf you deleted percentage d comma value. Yes guys, clear? Now the next function is for object display. So in your display, simply void display will be use some another variable. Let's suppose int I, and now here for I equals to front, I less than equals to rear, I plus plus. So simply printf %d comma q I. Yes guys, clear with the program? Now in the before next lab, guys, try to implement the program for circular queue, because there is a little bit difference in the algorithms. Try to implement. We will perform that in your next lab. And the first thing, please come with the algorithm of the circular queue and all the algorithms of your simple linked list.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, so one second. Udit, there is in your syllabus there is only one program, infix to postfix.